Another morning at the long way to Byzantium. Pretty wet night. Stuff is wet, but life is still great. Looking forward for some cycling today. 82k. The tent's drying up. Completely necessary. Yeah, let's see what the day brings us. Heading up now, 80k to Torun, and yeah, the night was kinda rainy, so sleep was okay. But I'm feeling great right now because I had some breakfast at 10 in the morning. Let's see what the day brings us. Carpe diem, you know? I think the weather is gonna be okay, maybe some rain showers. Haven't been so lucky with the weather, but yeah, whatever. Just pedal or you'll perish. Beautiful town, GRUDZIODZ. The peeps are here, beautiful. Nice shops. Yeah, continuing, feeling great. Tram here, modern city of GRUDZIODZ. Got some gear issues again by this hill. So typical. Gotta fix it now. The chain hopped. This is super annoying. And it's not like, there's this peep here. Well, it's not the issue that the gears hopped, it's just getting off all the bags and stuff. It's kind of annoying, and doing here in the middle of the road. Yeah, it sucks. Had a great morning and now this. Problem solved. Let's do this. That was not a nice break, but no idea why is this happening. You gotta be kidding me, it happened again. What the hell, man? This freaking chain, what's happening? Dude. So now that issue was fixed and I'm on the road again. Super annoying. Especially when there's a lot of peeps everywhere. Just wanna chill. Just arrived to the very cute town of Malmö. It's pretty nice. Just somewhere in the heartland of Poland. Super cute town. Peeps are chilling. Super cute village of Malmö. Really nice. The town hall here, kind of reconstructed. No idea. There's this amazing church here in Malmö. It's incredible. It seems closed, unfortunately, but it's huge. Pretty cool. So these trees have lots of mistletoe. First I thought they were bird nests, but no, they're not. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, learning something about nature in this trip. Checking out what I see. Pretty cool. Having an amazing ride today here through Golodai. The roads are really nice and it's not so busy today, so it's pretty amazing. Leaving Golodi now and into Unislaw, where I'm finding the lunch spot. Oh, that was a bee or a wasp. Some decaying industrial heritage here at Unislaw. Look at that. The really nice park here at Unislaw. The perfect bench here by this tree. Just eating too much chocolate. Heading off now after that nice break. This park was really nice. So now for 30k and then I'm at Torun, UNESCO World Heritage. I mean, look at this cycling path. These Poles really know what they're doing. Not like the Swedes that are against cycling. And fantastic path. Just perfect, no complaints. Thank you, Pomorskie Kavoyan government. Riding into Torun. So this is the beautiful medieval city of Torun. No, I'm just kidding. I decided to cycle straight to the hostel instead of through the medieval town, just to spare some time and enjoy the city. So wait a second and then I'll send you some amazing videos and pics of the UNESCO heritage site of Torun. The hostel should be somewhere here in this cool granary building. Here it is at the old mills. Cycling into Torun city now, all fresh and showered. An amazing evening. Really lots of peeps here. Cycling like a madman through the crowds. This is it, Torun, and its town hall. Well, thank you for watching, peeps. We'll see you on the next episode of the long ride to Byzantium. Not bad at all. Honestly, I was expecting more like of a medieval feel to this place, because it's a UNESCO World Heritage and one of the few cities that was not damaged after the World War II. So that's why I'm here, staying here for 2 nights. Here's an amazing bridge. The Silver Gate of Torun. That's what I call it.